Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Toshiba portable air conditioner suddenly stops producing warm air and heater mode no longer works the way it should, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when the room stays colder than expected. Sometimes the unit powers on normally but only blows regular air, while other times heat mode appears active but nothing really changes. A problem like this can happen because of incorrect settings, airflow restrictions, room temperature conditions, or temporary system delays that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major is wrong with the unit, there are a few simple things worth checking because many heater related issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Toshiba portable air conditioner heater not working. Try these. Step 1. Raise the temperature setting on the Toshiba portable air conditioner higher than the current room temperature. Step 2. Confirm the Toshiba portable air conditioner is switched to heater mode and not cooling or fan settings by mistake. Step 3. Clean the airflow filter inside the Toshiba portable air conditioner if warm air feels weak or blocked. Step 4. Unplug the Toshiba portable air conditioner briefly and reconnect power to refresh system operation. Step 5. Leave enough open space around the Toshiba portable air conditioner so airflow moves properly while heating. Step 6. Turn heater mode back on using the Toshiba portable air conditioner and confirm warm air begins coming through normally.